Hello everybody. Today we are here for science project on topic various atomic models. So let's start. The first model we have called Dalton's model, which was proposed by John Dalton. He was the first scientist to give the atomic theory in 1803. Postulates of Dalton's atomic theory. First, all the forms of matter are made up of very small particles called atoms. Second, atom cannot be further divided. Third, atom can neither be created nor be destroyed. Third, atom of particular element are identical in all respects. Now, the drawback. Now the drawbacks of the Dalton atomic theory. First, it does not account for the subatomic particles. Second, it does not account for the isotopes and isotopes. Fourth, elements cannot be combined in simple whole number ratio in the form of compounds. That's why it was failed. Second model we have J.J. Thomson's model. He firstly discovered the electron in 1897 and proposed the atomic theory in 1904. Now the postulates of the J.J. Thomson's model. First, atom consists of positively sphere with the electrons embedded on it. Second, atom as a whole is electrically neutral because the negative and the positive charge are equally in magnitude. His model is also called as plum pudding model and watermelon model. Drawbacks of Thomson's model. He didn't explain the stability of the atom. That's why his model was failed. Now the third atomic model we have Rutherford's model. He gave the atomic theory in 1911 with the help of the alpha scattering particle experiment. Rutherford's alpha scattering experiment. Now the apparatus, which is the alpha particle emitter, gold foil, detection screen and the slits. Now the procedure. Alpha particle, which is in the cross section of the alpha particle emitter. The alpha particle emits and pass through both the slits, which goes and penetrate the gold foil. The alpha rays move straight and some are deflected at the wide angle. Now we'll see the path of the alpha rays. In this figure is shown that some are deflected at the wide angle and some move back. Now the observation. Most of the alpha particles pass through the gold foil without suffering from any deflections. Some of the alpha particles were deflected through wider angles. Third, very few of the alpha particles were deflected through the very large angles and some even transferred back to the original path. Now the Rutherford's model based on the conclusions. First, most of the space is atom is empty. Second, some heavy and positively charged bodies inside the atom. Third, this heavy and positively charged body inside the atom must have very small in volume. Now the drawbacks. First, he didn't say anything about the distribution of electrons. Second, he failed to explain the stability of the atom. The fourth model we have Bohr's model. The Neil Bohr introduced the new atomic model. What did he propose? He proposes that electrons revolve around the nucleus in circular orbit. The allowed orbits are associated with a definite fixed amount of energy. Therefore, it is called energy level. The energy level or shell is designated by the letter K, L, M, and N. The maximum number of electrons can be accommodated in by the is 2n square, where n is the number of shells. The K shell would have the 2 electrons, L shell would have 8 electrons, M shell have 18 electrons, N shell have 32 electrons, and so on. So this was